Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you, or attempt to show you, how you could put the words to me, it just doesn't work perfect. I don't do it a lot. Now, if your text was small and you had a lot of text, I think it would look better. I just went on the internet and copied the Lord's Prayer. But I went out and also got a girl's face silhouette. I typed in girl face silhouette. It's quite large, so I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace Clip Art. Traces it really fast. This is our vector graphic, left click, right click. Now I'm just going to use her face and not her below her chin, so I'm going to make a rectangle like up in there. Maybe make it, well, don't need to do that. I don't need that box that big. Let's bring that in. So now I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and there's my shape. So I can move that out of the way, and I can left click, right click, and that is our writing area. Now I'm going to take the text. I'm going to take the text tool, and I'm going to highlight this. I just grabbed it off the internet. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to copy. Now with the text tool selected, when I get down to this line, it's going to come up with a curved line. You don't want that. That's like text a path. Go down a little bit, and it's going to give you that dotted rectangle box. And there's your writing area. And then right click and paste. Now, I don't think it does a great job. But if we take, and if we go up just like any writing program, and let's edit the text again. First of all, the text is too big. But you could go here and less justify. It'll stay around that name. I don't know that if we change the points, will it allow the more word to come in there? Yes, it does. Still not good enough. Let's go 9. That's what I was saying. If you had a lot of text, now my text is different size. So let's just select it all again. I don't do this very much. Let's make it that 10. There we go. Well, I don't have the amen in there. Let's make it 9. And that's really too small. I don't really like this very much. Let's see, you could fully justify it. Well, that's not fully justified. Force justified, you could do that. I don't like that because it stretches out the words. I think probably left justified looks the best. Well, there's a bunch of difference between, let's wonder if we can go 9.5. I've never thought about that. There we go. So it's a little bit bigger. You could play around with that. Now, what I've always had problems is getting rid of that box. We'll just select it and go up to object and convert it to a curve, and it gets rid of that box. Now you could probably equally type this in here and just stay on that line, maybe even with the envelope tool. I'll look into that. But no, you can't really play with it because it's in there. Yeah, so that's not really, it shouldn't, well, the nose is going to move. But you could, if push came to shove and you were really wanting to do something, you could make a new line, and you could move your text out of the way and Smart Fill that, move that down, left click, right click, and then move it up and over. That didn't look too bad. I think it might even be better if you did 2 faces side by side facing each other. Give that a try. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.